Welcome to Happy Achievers channel. Subscribe my channel and watch the videos. Class 10 Science NCRT Carbon Compounds. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature is the method of giving proper names to carbon compounds by following IUPAC rules. Nomenclature is a method of giving proper names to carbon compound by following IUPAC rules. So, nomenclature helps us to give the names to carbon compound by following some rules. Let us see the rules. Rule number 1. Find the longest carbon chain. So, here is an example CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So, you have to find out the longest carbon chain. So, how many carbon atoms are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the longest carbon chain in this compound. So, we have to count the number of carbon atoms in the straight line. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. So longest carbon chain contain how many carbon atom? 4 carbon atom. Now let us see how we can give the root name. If there is only 1 carbon atom, meth, 2 carbon atom, eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 X. In our example, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means what is that? But. So what we should give? But. Again I will tell you. Look at this compound. You have to count the number of carbon atom. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon. 4 means what is the name? But. So this is the rule number 1. Rule 2. It's a single bond, double bond or triple bond. Single means we have to write the suffix name as ANE. Double bond means ENE. Triple bond means YNE. So see this example. CH3 single bond CH3. So it is how many carbon are there in this? 1, 2. 2 means what I said? Eth. If it is a single bond, what we have to write? ANE. So ethane. If it is double bond with 2 carbon atom, eth, ENE, ethene. 2 carbon atom with triple bond means ethine. Rule number 3. Identify the functional group. The functional group decides the suffix. If it is OH, alcohol. OH means it is an alcohol. Use the suffix OL. CHO, aldehyde. Use the suffix AL. CO, ketone. Use the suffix ONE. COOH, carboxylic acid. Use the suffix OIC. Rule number 4. Number the carbon chain. Start numbering from the end nearest to the functional group. Where the functional group is present, from there you start putting the number. So that near the functional group you should get a smaller number. That is the correct way of numbering it. Name and position of side chains. So the compound may have side chain like CH3. It is called alkyl group. So you have to write the position number. Example, alkyl group example is CH3 means methyl, C2H5 means ethyl. Rule number 6. Write the full name. What is the order of the name? Position of the side chain. Position number, then side chain. Side chain what we have seen? It can be an alkyl group or halogen. Alkyl na methyl, ethyl. Then root word we have meth, eth, prop, butane we have seen. Then suffix, functional group. What kind of functional group it is? Based on that we have to give the suffix name. Look at this example CH3, CH2, OH. How many carbon are there? 2. So eth. Functional group, what is the functional group? OH. So OL. So what is the name? Ethanol. Look at this example. CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. So the longest chain, 1, 2, 3 only. This is a side chain. Within bracket, it is given in bracket, now it is a side chain. Again I will tell you, look at the structure. Here I can say only the longest carbon chain contain only 3 carbons. You may ask, here 4 carbon are present, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is given in bracket, so it is considered as side chain. So 1, 2, 3 only. So it is prop. What is the side chain? CH3. Where it is present, second carbon. This is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon. So 1, 2, 3. So second place this methyl is present. So how we can name? 2. Already I told position, we should mention the position. Position is 2. What is the side chain name? Alkyl group name is methyl. CH3 means methyl. How many carbon atoms are there in the main chain? 1, 2, 3. So prop, single bond. So it is ANE, propane. So 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl means position of the side chain. See, the side chain is present in the second carbon. So 2-methyl. Next 3 carbon in the structure. 1, 2, 3. So prop. Single bond. Single line represents single bond. So it is ANE, propane. Now let us see some of the board question which is asked in the previous year. 2025 they have asked, write the IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH. The solution for this is the longest carbon chain. How much? 1, 2. 2 carbon atom. So eth. What is the functional group? OH. So OH, how we can represent OL. So the name is ethanol. 2024, name the functional group present in ethanoic acid. The functional group present in the ethanoic acid is carboxylic acid. Name the functional group present in ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, what it contains? COOH. OIC, now what I said? COOH. OIC means COOH. So what is the functional group name? OIC. If it is OIC, ethanoic, now OIC. OIC means it is COOH functional group. So COOH, what it represents? Carboxylic acid. Write the IUPAC name of CH4. CH4, 1 carbon means meth, single bond ANE, methane. C2H6, 2 carbon eth, single bond means ANE, ethane. C3H8, 3 carbon means prop and single bond ANE, propane. Write the IUPAC name of CH3CH3. How many carbon are there? 2. So eth. Single bond, it has single bond, so it is ANE, ethane.